Bend it over, bust it down for me. Bend it over, bust it open for me. Bend it down and shake that ass for me. Oh. Try, homie. You can try, homie. You gonna get slept on. That's my mating call right there. Come fuck with it. Fuck with it, homie. Fuck with it. Come on, dog. Let me pop that cherry, bend it over, bust it down for me. Bust that ass open for me. Come on, Freak Elite. Teresa, Natasha, Lil Christy. I don't know. I went to a head, but this turns yellow. It's under these turn yellow. He did it for me. I saw him. He looked in the rearview mirror. If he did it when we were together, that would have been fun, but I'll still take that hoe any day. I'll flip that hoe in the front and the back. Maybe I should be listening to rap when I'm riding, because I feel like it only adds to the dirty talk. His wheels are shaking on the left one. Them hoes not aligned. And if them hoes not aligned, I don't want to be anywhere near that. Go left, homie, go left, go left, go left, go left. Don't be a hoe, go left, go left. I got homies across the street living large. When I die, put my money in my grave. Hell yeah, man. That was a fun Lamborghini right there. That guy can get it. She wants her post-workout shake. That's why she's angry at me. She want to eat. She want to eat. Yeah, you want to hop off? And I'll pop off with you. Oh, mix interracial thing going on over there. I love that. That's what we like to see in Mexicano. Oceano. I love that, man. Oh my God, the right side Broly is burning me up because I'm not feeding her post-workout shake. You know, live free, die another day kind of thing. course, gun it on me. Yep, he's gunning it. He just crushed that Tesla. Corvette, want to get in on that too? Oh, they're both together, 2 Corvettes, one old, one new. Nobody giving up about either. Oh yeah. Peer pressure right there. He saw me gun it a little bit. I wasn't even gunning it, Broly just loud, and he gunned it too. But ain't nobody give a F about him. Anybody give a F about him. I know why I'm talking like that. Unless Shorty want to clown, pop up on me and then let's talk. You couldn't just stay red for a little bit longer, huh? A little bit longer. You couldn't have stayed red so I could pass through and pass all these hoes. Sí, that guap. Con queso, de burrito, de carne de asada, que maricón, cabrón. I know Spanish. Yo tengo bailar. Give me a yellow, please. Don't make me cut all ugly. I run this street. Is my chain out? I feel like my chain is up. I feel like something dangling. I would love to ride with the chain out, but I can't. That thing be flapping around way too much. What up, old mother effers? You staring? Buy me a drink. I'm playing. Way back. That's all I ask. Common courtesy, right? Just way back. Show me some love if I'm showing you love. Or if you're just looking at me, this eye candy ain't free, homie. All this shit ain't free, homie. I work on it. I work at it. Last couple of months, my physique, my consistency with it, on God, never been better. Never been better. Just watch as the videos, you'll see the front camera, just keep watching, you'll see growth. Crazy growth. I feel like this has been a very, don't want to jinx it, ride. Very nice ride. Whatever happened to, we'll talk about all the top another day. I don't have the enthusiasm right now because right now the only thing that matters is getting a protein shake and my baby girl. All that matters. Wish we got a protein shake dispenser up here. It's not a big deal. This guy's been riding around for hours too. At a dock too. In such close traffic, I should was looking around, breaking necks with that booty. But I think it was worth it. Remember, we don't discriminate. Male and female, we look at them all. We look at them all. We appreciate it. All right, we're passionate and adorers of it. Not in a weird, nasty way. Hell no. I mean, look at this. Could this be nasty in any way? Hell no. Foot fetish? Where you at? Because I'm not there, wherever it's at. Shorty with the long text, we don't talk. Shorty with the long legs, she don't walk. Oh my God, that is loud. I've seen in other countries, homies don't even move out the way. People just die up in that O. This dude is confused as fuck on how this stuff works. I look like a hunchback because I got like all this gear on me. I don't know if you guys can see the gear. I got all this protection under my pullover, plus the leather pants, race pants and all. Triumph. I trying to listen to a lean house. Calm down, dog. Never mind, it's a test ride. Auto rate. It's an old one though. Shit clean, he keeps it clean, but still, that thing is old. Put some sunglasses on, homie, you can't see shit. That's why I come here, nowhere else. And that's the greatest thing about this place is that you're like, oh, you're missing out on that. You're not. There's So many times people come around and around and around and around.